Welcome Inner Universe community. My name is Sanchita Pandey and our topic for today is getting up at Brahma Muhurt. In short, why should you get up early in the morning around 4 o'clock, which is the Brahma Muhurt time? Let us first understand what is meant by Brahma Muhurt. Brahma Muhurt is the time just before sunrise. That means the exact timing will be something like 3:40 a.m. to 4:28 a.m. That is 48 minutes. Actually, a single night is divided into 15 muhurts, and Brahma Muhurt is the 14th muhurt, and this has great significance. Now, what happens when you actually get up during this time just before the sunrise around 4 o'clock in the morning? It is the best time for meditation because everybody else is sleeping now. When you get up and meditate, this kind of meditation will be absolute deep meditation. You'll be able to concentrate on every breath. You know how our breath and our thoughts are connected because when you are angry, you start breathing really fast. So when you meditate every day, you are going to start taking deeper breaths. So what will happen is that your thoughts will slow down, and slowing down your thoughts means coming to a point after a few days, after a few months, you'll come to a point of no thought zone. You'll be so much present in this now, in this present moment, in this now, that no more thoughts will be bothering you. So that is what you say, you'll be in absolute calm and peace. That is what you go to the Himalayas for, and here you are meditating every day during Brahma Muhurt and enjoying peace and serenity and calmness. Brahma Muhurt is also a very good time for your breathing exercises. I have made a video on breathing exercises, simple breathing exercises. You can do these for 15 to 20 minutes during Brahma Muhurt, that is around 4 o'clock in the morning. They are very good for your general well-being. You will never fall sick and you will enjoy a certain kind of well-being because you are taking in fresh air and oxygen in the morning. Then there is no noise pollution early in the morning, so nobody to actually disturb you, no distractions. You are sitting there enjoying your solitude and getting downloads of inspiration. The right time for doing any kind of creative work because there you are sitting focused with absolute concentration and nothing to distract you. You can read a book, but never go and check your emails, or don't go and start doing social media. The best thing is to read a book or meditate or just sit in solitude and get those downloads of inspiration. So this is a really highly creative time because the universal energy is at its best. The highest flow of energy is taking place without any distractions. And as you soak in this energy, what is happening? You are activating your 7 chakras. And as the flow of chi is there between the 7 chakras of your body, naturally you will enjoy good health, enthusiasm, lot of positive energy, so which is good for your general health and well-being. Very good time for prayer also. Sit in prayer and you can give gratitude for all the little blessings. Very good time for studies, reading. You can do anything which requires absolute concentration in your work because, as I told you, there is good flow of cosmic energy, actually highest flow of cosmic energy during this time. Brahma Muhurt is also a really good time for making those positive self-affirmations. I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am whole, I am enough. All these self-affirmations will be taken in by your subconscious mind. Now, to get up early in the morning, all you have to do is sleep early also. So, early to bed and early to rise makes you healthy, wealthy and wise. That stands to even today. Now, what is the best time? Till when you should be in bed actually? 10 or 10:30, because you have to get up early in the morning around 4 o'clock. So this is the time when you should go off to sleep. Our body has a certain rhythm of sleep. Now, when that is disturbed, you feel irritated, you don't sleep well. Whatever sleep you have experienced is not deep sleep. When you go to sleep at a certain time every day, this is the rhythm your biological machine, that is your body, starts following. It just knows now is the time to sleep and this is the right time to get up. So you do not have to set an alarm also, because your body just knows. Around 4 o'clock, you will just get up and absolutely energized and absolutely calm and enthusiastic, because you know lot of things to do during this time, undisturbed, and this feeling of calmness. Once you know what it is like, you'll just want to actually get up right around 4 o'clock every morning. So it will become a habit. Now you have to sleep early and now get up early. So as your biological machine, that is your body, follows this rhythm of sleep, you will experience very deep sleep at night. And so you'll see how your mental and physical health improves. If you are a musician or you know somebody who is a musician, you'll know that most musicians, all good musicians, practice and do their riyaz, that is practice early in the morning during Brahma Muhurt. So they'll do lot of humming, or they'll do their breathing exercises or swar practice right at this time, that is during Brahma Muhurt, early in the morning. This is the time between 4 to 7 o'clock, not later. So the musicians know this and they will realize what benefit it does to their voice, to their throat. You also know that lot of healing takes place in our body when we sleep well. Whenever you sleep, lot of healing is taking place in your body. So you have to give your body special time for this kind of healing. Now if you keep doing your work late till night, your body is actually, you are not letting it heal. So when you sleep at the right time around 10:30 and get up early in the morning and you enjoy deep sleep, you have better mood throughout the day, you feel rested, and you have this sort of enthusiasm for doing your work throughout the day, and there is lot of healing that is taking place in your body, and you will feel this healing and sense of well-being as you start getting up early in the morning. So this is one thing you should start doing. Get up early in the morning right at Brahma Muhurt, that is around 4 o'clock in the morning, just before sunrise. So this is one thing you have to do, and as you continue doing it for around 21 days, you will make it a habit. So this is a wonderful habit to develop. So now close your mobile and your computer and your social media groups and everything when it strikes 10 at night, because it is time to sleep. This is all in this video. Thank you so much for joining me here in a universe community. You know I love you and I send you my prayers and blessings. I wish that all your wishes come true. I wish lot of abundance, good health, love and peace in your life. Thank you. Namaste.